Hey, it's Sarah. McCoy.
Randy.
He needs cue sometimes. One of my biggest pet peeves is watching people type, and they're not teaching it in school anymore either. And when this one here is typing a story, this is what I hear. Drives me crazy.
Pet peeves.
Pet peeves.
You should make a list of your top 10 pet peeves. You'd go to 100.
Yeah, I would. Doctors do it as well. So I've challenged him to a typing duel. So here we go. We are on typingtest.com. We are doing sports because McCoy likes sports.
And now, I have no
I just did it,
thought that I'm going to win this.
But I just did this and my score was typing speed of 63. I had 5 errors, but just to prove it, I'll do it again. I'm going to retake the test. Alrighty. We're going to start typing. Test starts as soon as you start typing.
What are you typing? The words up here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But now you just messed me up.
So if you can't see those words, then you wouldn't be as typing as fast?
Right.
Is that
exactly. That's how it works.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
But I'm going to be much slower because you're...
Why are some of them in purple?
That's the word I should be on.
Oh, I see. And you actually have to capitalize it and everything correctly?
Yes.
Okay. And it's counting down right here? At the 31, the 30 mark? Okay.
I hate you.
You're up to 61 words?
Because you're talking to me. This is how my life is every day.
What did you do there? You had a space?
I did. I double spaced, but they might not be allowing that. I might.
You double spaced over into the next.
Once upon a time, a wolf decided to disguise.
What's that got to do with sports?
I don't know. See, you screwed up mine before. It was better.
What did you get?
I had 6 errors that time. I got a type speed of 54 words per minute. Nobody would hire me today if I wanted a secretary job.
You want to see nobody's going to hire anybody for a secretary's job? Watch this. Okay. All right, now hit start typing, then I'm just ready to go?
That would seem like the obvious choice.
Okay.
See what I mean? All by himself.
Oh.
Oh, JetBlue has one-way airfares for $77 right now.
Really?
Oh, that's epic, yeah.
Wow, that is epic. Okay. Where am I at? How much time do I have?
20 seconds.
Okay.
20 and this is why he has a hard time reaching his blog goals every week, because it takes him 3 days to type one.
Where am I at? Oh, okay.
If he's tied with me, I will go jump off the bridge.
I would too. 32.
You only had 6 errors. 26 words per minute.
26 words. That's about right. I said I'd be about 30.
Do you?
I read about 30.
You're in the average.
Well, there you go.
You're
the average.
You're just a hair above slow.
So?
I've always thought that.
I played baseball rather than typed about it when I was in school.
That's the best for stupid challenges we have for you right now until I'm a little better.
Plus, I learned how to handwrite.
Yeah, I know how to handwrite.
Okay.
Oh, you want to do penmanship next?
Yes.
Gladly.
Gladly.